2, 5, 6. Who's Velocistar 237?
Oh my god.
Oh, that's just a
Sorry,
dinosaur
guys.
toy down the street. That's
I'm
nothing.
just a
Take care of
donkey.
that. Just a dinosaur.
Right? 6. More. Okay, enter. Please don't be far. Please, please. Right around the corner? It's right around the corner!
Yay!
I'm going to college. Look at me. I'm big toy on campus. Hello. Hey, I'll see you at the Zaka.
Okay, Potsy.
Oh, hey, listen. If any of you guys ever get to Sunnyside Daycare, you tell him Woody made it home.
You came from Sunnyside?
But how'd you escape?
Well, it wasn't easy. What do you mean escape? Sunnyside is a place of ruin and despair, ruled by an evil who smells of strawberries.
Lots-O? The guy may seem plush and huggable on the outside, but inside, he's a monster.
But how do you know that?
Chuckles. He'll tell you.
Yeah, I knew Lots-O. He was a good toy. A friend. Me and him, we had the same kid. Daisy. I was there when Lots-O got unwrapped. Daisy loved us all. But Lots-O was special. They did everything together. I never seen a kid and a toy more in love. One day we took a drive, hit a rest stop, had a little playtime. After lunch, Daisy fell asleep. She never came back. Lots-O wouldn't give up. It took forever. We finally made it back to Daisy's.
Oh my god.
Something changed that day inside Lots-O. Something snapped.
She replaced us. Come on. Replaced all of us. Didn't she? She don't love you no more. Now come on.